Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add a border in your text using Canva. First, open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in www.canva. After you open the Canva, here you can see different templates. Just click on any of your required template. Now here on the left side, you can see different options. Click on the text. Now add a text box and type in the text you want on your project. You can resize this text box as you want. After that, on the top you can see effects option. Click on it, and here you can see outline. Click on outline, or you can adjust the thickness of the outline as you desire. And if you want to change the color of the outline, click on this and select the color that you want on your text. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.